Minecraft Error 102 typically signals an authentication or connection failure, preventing you from accessing multiplayer features or even launching the game. This can manifest as messages like unable to connect to world, authentication failed, or invalid session. Several factors can trigger this error, including network instability due to firewalls or VPNs, account-related issues like expired sessions, or even server outages on Mojang's end. Identifying the cause is the first step to resolving it. Fixing Error 1002 involves systematically troubleshooting the authentication chain. Start with basic steps. Verify your account status by logging into the Mojang website. Check your network connection and disable any VPNs. Restart the Minecraft launcher and your computer. If these don't work, try clearing your Minecraft launcher's cache or temporarily disabling your firewall. For Bedrock Edition on consoles, ensure your Xbox Live account is properly linked and active. If the problem persists, check Mojang's official status page for any known server outages. As a last resort, contact Mojang support for further assistance. Remember to always use the official Minecraft launcher to avoid potential authentication issues.